Hello everyone, today I've got a really nice and simple DIY that's great for both Easter and spring. It's a really nice decor piece and it can also be gifted, so stick around. First thing that you're going to be needing is your foam brick, and I got this from Poundland, but I have seen similar things like this in dollar stores. So that this goes a little bit further, I'm going to saw it in half to keep the other half for another DIY. I'm just pressing down firmly so that I can imprint the bucket size and I know where to cut. After your main piece sits nicely inside and fits, just push it down a little bit, and then we want to cut pieces to size in the corners. And don't worry about the mess because that's going to be covered completely. Taking some moss, we're going to scatter it all at the top to cover the foam brick. Next, you want to take your floral arrangements and cut them to the size that you want with some pliers. Now you've got the flowers trimmed to the size that you want, we're going to arrange them in the bucket at the back however you like. For the final piece, you're going to need 2 white rabbits, and these do have eyes on there, so I'm going to remove them because I just don't like that look. They kind of look a little bit strange, so I'm taking them off because I prefer it a little bit more simple and less weird. And here is the final look. What do you think about it? It definitely adds some colour and life to any room, and I think it's pretty cute too. This was a really inexpensive project and I think it's so nice as a gift, and it's definitely really beautiful for some decor. And what's really nice about this is that you can use it for spring and you can use it for Easter. If you have enjoyed this DIY, please do give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do join our T&C family and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next DIY, bye.